Bulk Container Transport Southeast UK. We are a leading international shipping company with our headquarters in the UK, and we provide bulk container transport services to all over the world. Departing from the Southeast UK, Kenya, South Africa, Tanzania, Australia, Cyprus, US, China and many other nations are among the most common destinations for the bulk container transport South East UK services we provide. Contents bulk container transport Southeast UK. Commercial. Refrigerated container high cubic container containers in the form of flat rack or flatbed. Bulk container transport Southeast UK. One of the most important ports in Southeast UK is Felixstowe. This is because it has such beautiful facilities and is the primary port for the landlocked countries around it. Both roll-on, roll-off, ro-ro, and container shipments to the port of Felixstowe are available weekly from our company. Commercial shipping in containers bulk container transport Southeast UK can be accomplished using any one of several different kinds of containers. The most typical are standard steel containers with lengths of 20 feet, 40 feet, or 40 feet with a high cube capacity, sizes given below, with only a delivery time of 22 days. The following assortments of bulk container transport Southeast UK are available to purchase from us. Containers for standard dry goods, such as 20-foot and 40-foot containers that keep food cool, and containers that keep it warm. Containers with a high volume, 20-foot and 40-foot. Container with a rigid top. Container with removable top racks that are flat, as well as platform containers. Container with ventilation. Containers for tanks. Bulk container size of bulk containers transport Southeast UK, 20 featuring and 40 feet. Using standard bulk container transport Southeast UK, it is possible to transport automobiles, machinery, spare parts, and personal goods to foreign countries. These containers are multi-purpose and can be used to ship nearly all kinds of goods due to their construction of steel and aluminum. We ask that you give us a call or email so that our shipping agents can assist you in determining the size of the container required for your shipment. When compared to various other shipping methods, the cost of shipping via bulk container transport Southeast UK might be slightly lower. It is important to keep in mind that the bulk container transport Southeast UK will keep your vehicle or your belongings safe once they have arrived at the destination. Refrigerated container. The temperature maintained inside refrigerated containers is regulated by a system that includes the containers. In order to keep the temperature where you want it to be while this is in transit, you have to make sure that it is plugged into the power supply of the ship the entire time. Most of the products transported in refrigerated containers are perishable goods such as flowers, fruits, vegetables, and plants. However, refrigerated containers can transport a wide variety of goods. It is possible to ship perishable goods from the United Kingdom to South Africa, Asia, West Africa, Australia, and a great number of other countries by using a refrigerated container. High cubic container. High cube containers are 1 foot taller than standard containers and are typically 40 feet long. Standard containers are the same size as high cube containers. There is no limit to the kinds of goods transported in high cube containers. On the other hand, it is typically used to transport machineries, such as cars or diggers. In addition to that, it is frequently used for transporting Tall cargo that cannot be placed in a regular container. Containers in the form of flat rack or flatbed. It is comparable to a regular container, except that it only has two walls, one at each end, and no sides in the middle. Sometimes the two walls can be collapsed in order to make the loading of the cargo much simpler. Most of the time, heavy items, such as heavy machinery, are loaded onto a flat rack container for transport. IZ Global Logistics is happy to ship a wide variety of goods and can meet the requirements of any customer. Because of this, we provide services that are roofless as well as chilled. It makes for a more streamlined and effective travel experience. In addition to all of this, IZ Global Logistics can collect from any address in the UK.